If you're new to this channel, you don't mind subscribe. What the f is wrong with me? Alright, so today is Friday. I have a lot of stuff I have to do for tomorrow. But I'm just waiting for the mailman to get here because I need some parts. So I'm going to drill some of the last remaining holes in the pack. So start cracking away. Matt just confirmed to me the rivets they used here were smaller, so I'm going to have to hunt those down now. What's going on?
What's over there? Randy's working at his daughter's, I think, today.
Yeah. Yeah.
I dropped the machine off over there.
Yeah, I know. What, taking pictures, huh?
Oh yeah.
Ah.
Yep.
Now he's making that's a Ghostbuster backpack that he's got going there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He's got sound in it. Do you have lights in it?
I'm working on that today.
That's the 29th.
Yeah.
The 29th, yeah, for parade.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the church.
I don't know if you saw the car.
I haven't seen
all
the
kinds
car.
of shit on the top of it.
I know what they look like.
The other night, me and my wife come out of Market Basket. We get to.
Oh, jeez, you're still getting tomatoes?
Yeah.
Holy Christ!
Tomatoes and peppers.
Wow.
Synchronize. Alright, so as you can see, we got some more progress done today. I'm pretty sure every single hole that needs to be drilled in this shell, or in its corresponding parts, are all drilled. I'm pretty sure. I worked a little bit on the motherboard today. In my head, I've envisioned this piece here for the longest time. It took me a little while to fit it. There's a lot of trial and error, a lot of swearing, but this is the last concept I came up with. And I ran out of 3mm screws, so I got some Phillips head screws here, so I had to pick up some more to bolt all these down. I'm running into a little bit of a problem with the power cell light. I'm using cap screws, socket screws for the injectors, and they're hooking on this part of the board, so I got to kind of go like this and wiggle it over. So I think if I use button head screws, or maybe even get some bolts and machine the bolts down really flat, then I can get it to just fall on top. It's not a problem putting it on, but I kind of have to go like that. I'd rather just drop it on. So I'm going to go hunt down some bolts later this week. You can see I have everything taped on here because there's some stuff I have to do to the motherboard still. I need to finalize the e-cig setup. I have the 3D printed tower all set. I made a spacer to get the e-cig to sit higher, and I think that will make it easier for the smoke to come out of the end filter. I don't know if there's any truth to it, but in my head that's what I think works easier. Tonight I'm going to go into the basement and 3D print some brackets over here to actually house the e-cig setup. I've already envisioned in my head how I'm going to run these wires for the GB fan soundboard, but in the real pack there's a ton of wires everywhere. I imagine some left over from when it was battery operated, and now they converted it over to be plugged into the wall, so there's all sorts of DC AC converters up here and tons of wires spliced in and zip tied, and I'm really kicking around the idea of throwing in prop wires, like fake wires with connectors and stuff. I'm tossing around that idea like right now. I'm going to think about it tonight and see, because I kind of like the clean look where you take the shell off and it's really clean looking. You see the electronics. This is a black acrylic board, so when I remove that protecting layer, it'd be nice clear reflective acrylic. But now I'm kind of thinking, I don't know if I should cut this out of aluminum or bend something up out of aluminum. It's the same configuration. Run my wires and stuff, and then put all sorts of prop wires in here to make a spaghetti mess or a rat's nest, like the real prop. I don't know. I'm really up in the air. I wanted to put the charge plate on tonight, but I'm running really low on my battery. There's like 10 minutes left. And to be perfectly honest with you, I'm running low on energy. I don't have the energy today to do this. Electronic wise, there's not too much left for me to do. I gotta wire up the thrower, get the thrower to communicate with the rest of the boards, and do one test run before I button it all up. And once I test that, make sure it works, then I can disassemble everything and start painting. This is actually ready for paint, but I don't know if I'm going to paint it. I guess I should paint it this week. So there's only a few days left. I'm going to tinker each night and see if I can actually get this done. If you're new to this channel, don't mind hitting that subscribe button. It really goes a long way. You can actually hit that little Halowax logo down at the bottom, and that will subscribe for you too. I want to thank you all for watching. Keep an eye out for the next video. This is Halowax. Out.